In this video, I'll be sharing the easiest plantain mosa recipe with you all. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. For my ingredients, I'll be using plantain, habanero pepper and onions. I have my flour sieved already. I have salt, sugar, I have my vanilla and cinnamon powder, then yeast and warm water. So the first thing I'll be doing is to blend together my plantain, onions and the habanero pepper. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, then I'm going to blend this to a smooth paste. After blending, this is what I have. Can you see how smooth the paste is? So I'm going to set this aside. The next, I want to combine all my ingredients together. So I had my sugar, then I also had my salt. I go ahead and add my vanilla flavor. Then I also had my cinnamon powder. So after adding my cinnamon powder, I go ahead and add my yeast. Please note the full list of the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. Please check. After that, I go ahead and add my plantain mix inside this. Then I'll keep mixing this together. After adding all the plantain mix, the next thing that I'm adding now is my warm water. So I'm just going to add a little bit of warm water, then I'll mix this very well. You can see the way I'm mixing this, the way I'm beating it very well. Right now my batter is ready and you can see the consistency of what I have. Look at the consistency, it's not too thick and it's not too runny. So this is what your batter consistency should look like. So the next thing, I'm going to cover this and leave this to rise for about 30 minutes. After allowing this to rise, this is what I have. So I'm just going to mix this back to deflate the excess air and then I'll proceed to frying. So my oil is already preheated and is hot enough. So I'm just going to start putting my batter inside my oil, then I'll start frying. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on my channel I share amazing recipes that you are definitely going to love. And once you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when next I drop a new video, you will be notified. After frying the puff-puff to this golden brown, the next thing, you take it out from the heat, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share and leave some comments in the comment section. I'm just going to repeat this process to fry the rest of the puff-puff. And this is my plantain mosa puff-puff recipe. Will you be trying this? Let me know, and don't forget to share your experience with me. After frying my puff-puff, this is what I have. I'm so sorry the lights went off. Beautiful people, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys.